What is up everybody, how are you? Welcome back to another edible fitness video. Today's video, very simple, very easy. I'm going to show you how to make a super fast chickpea curry. And we're starting now. In just one serving of this curry, you're gonna find 370 calories, 22 grams of fat, 12 grams of protein, and 36 grams of carbs. So the first thing you want to do is to get a frying pan and put in some olive oil. Then you want to chop up your onion. I used a fairly large one because I like having a lot of onion in this curry. Totally up to you though. After sauteing the onions for a couple of minutes, you're gonna add in the chickpeas. Now, as soon as you add in the chickpeas, you want to add in your spices. You're gonna add in the Madras curry, the Garam Masala, turmeric, and salt. Incorporate everything all together, and then you're gonna pour over your coconut milk. About 1.5 cups, that's 320 milligrams, I think, around there. Once the mixture begins to bubble, then you're gonna turn it down to a light simmer and let it sit for about half an hour. It is worth the wait. What can I say? I love this curry. So please give it a go and let me know in the comments below. See ya in the next video. Bye.